You're very lively this morning, aren't you, Ozzy? Where are you going? Yeah. Oh, doing your duck noises. You've only just got up, you've got a lot of energy, haven't you? Yeah. Right, you're pretty. Oh, you're gone for a fly. It was a quick one, wasn't it? Wait, you coming back? Come on back. Come on in. Hello. There you are. God, I missed you out of shop then. Hey, you're Ozzy. You're going to get Jasper flying. He's been a bit boring, isn't he? Jasper, are you going to have a fly with Ozzy? You're very photogenic, aren't you, Ozzy? You know you're going to be a YouTube star. You love it, don't you? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Right, the attention. Not as much as Bob, but Bob's a right attention seeker, isn't he? Our hair. We've been misgendering him, yeah? Your brother is now your sister. Yes, he is. She is, I mean. We still keep calling him he, and we keep calling Peggy she. But they're both opposites, aren't they? Have we found out now? Yes, we are. You're still a boy though, aren't you, Ozzy? Yes, you are. Jasper, I'm not so sure about you though lately. Have we been misgendering you, Jasp? You act a bit like a girl sometimes, don't you? You're a bit moody. Not as cheerful as Ozzy. Look at Ozzy. Ozzy just is happy here all the time, aren't you? You're real happy, Budgie, you. You never go in a bad mood. Never seen you in a bad mood ever, have we? You're like Larry. Larry used to be real happy. You'd have liked Larry. He was a nice Budgie. Yeah, you're as happy as Larry, aren't you? Good boy. Good boy. Look at you. Aren't you pretty for the camera? Look, you're scared of it at all, are you? No, you're not. Bob and Peggy was really camera shy when I got this new 4K camera. They didn't like it at all. But now, they're not scared of it at all. They love it. Like you do. But yeah, you're not scared of it. Yeah, what are you doing down there, Jasper? Hello. Jasper. What's happened? What are you gone quiet for? Eh? What are you gone quiet for? What are you listening to? Can you hear a cat or something? Eh? What is it? What is it you can hear? You've gone into stealth mode, Budgies. What's up? What's up? What can you hear? Oh, it's only next doors. Don't worry about that. Don't worry. Where's Charlie? Come on, Charlie. Come sit over here with these lot. Come on. What's that, Ozzy? What does that mean? What are you saying?